Hello everyone and welcome to Medi Simplified. And so finally the NB has given the tentative dates for the upcoming NEET PG exams, which will be held on 12th March 2022, breaking all the myths after one uh, notification saying of MD is something on 4th June. After that, people thought that it might be only after 4th June, but now the NB has given tentative dates, which is saying that the NEET PG 2022 will be held on 12th March. The notification has came just now on the NB's website, and hoping that there is nothing going to happen what happened this year, and the exam will be conducted on the same day. Remember, the NB was ready to take exam even on 18th of April. It was the Ministry of Health and the Indian government who postponed the exam for almost 4 months. But according to this notification, NEET PG 2022 is going to be held on 12th of March, right? And the MTS exam is going to be held on 6th March. And one more thing, the FMG June 2022 will be held on 4th June, and the FMG December 2022 will be held on 17th December, which is almost after 1 year. So after this, I hope this is the last FMG and NEET PG exams. That is on NEET 12th March 2022 will be the last NEET PG exam, and FMG December 22, that is 17th on December, will be the last FMG exam. After this, in 2023, the NMC is going to implement the next exam, that is National Exit Test, and that is why the reason is the exam is going to be held in March this year, because the NMC has planned or proposed to take the next exam on the next one exam in the March month itself. So all the best to each and everyone, and hope you found this video useful. Do share with your friend and wish everyone all the best for the exams. Thank you.